Hello guys, Alpha Dog here, and welcome to another video. So today we're going to enjoy the outdoors. Woohoo! Fun, huh? So yeah, we're just gonna hang around here for a little while. How nice. Isn't this really good? Like, don't you say so yourself? Look at all this catnip. I have all a cat can ever want. I'm Lucifer, and I'm not afraid to say it. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Utter chaos. Wow, 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 wow. Wah, 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 wah. Utter chaos. Wah, 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 wah. Utter chaos. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna get up now. And we're going to go to the Fountain of Youth. So, yeah. Isn't the Fountain of Youth magical? Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, woohoo. Okay. To the Fountain of Youth. Here we are, the Fountain of Youth. Yeah, Fountain of Youth. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, now I feel cool because I put some on my legs. You can, I don't know, but yeah. Hey, boy, come on. Never mind. Where are you going? Tough love. Flies. Ah! I hate flies. Gosh. I hate them. They make my fur weird. They're still on me. Get off of me, stupid creatures. Now my back hurts. Oh my gosh. It's a spider web. See that white thing? You guys can, of course, not ever see a spider web on camera, because it's just crazy. Wait, where are you going? Don't leave me. You know, fine. Forget about you. I saw you driving downtown. Okay, so now it's time for some random singing. I saw you driving downtown with Sicko album, and I'm like, forget you. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you, forget who too has a wise away, ha, away, wah, wah, wah. I forgot the song. Okay, next one. What should I sing? Benjamin, what should I sing? Silent treatment, huh? Fine. Okay, let's sing, okay. Chicken McNugget, barbecue sauce. Chicken McNugget, barbecue sauce. Chicken McNugget, barbecue sauce. Chicken McNugget, barbecue sauce. Bowling pins. This is dirt, by the way, guys. This is not dog feces. My dog takes his business in the dirt because he's polite. So we're just gonna take these out. It may be disgusting, but whatever. So let's go wash them. Sorry. Okay, let's go wash them. Plus me, because I must be filthy. Oh, look at that. He's eating some grass. Never mind. Oh my gosh. I think something just went in my eye. It hurts. Okay. Okay. Let's wash up now. Just gonna leave you there real quick. No! There. Let's go home now. Okay, well that's the nature between us, and you will be seeing maybe a bowling thing later. And my hands are wet and filled. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is a very long video. Bye!